Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic, mapping a network drive. This is a procedure that allows your computer to treat a server as if it were a physical drive in your system. This makes it easier to access and manage files that are not stored directly on your computer. First, let's discuss why we map a network drive. When you map a network drive, you're creating a shortcut that allows your computer to communicate with the server. This can be especially useful for businesses, as it allows employees to access shared files and resources easily. Now, let's move on to the process itself. The first step is to locate the server that you want to connect to. This could be a server within your organization, or it could be a server that you access through the internet. Once you've identified the server, you'll need to find the network path. This is the address that your computer uses to connect to the server. Once you have this information, you're ready to map the network drive. The next step is to open the This PC or My Computer window on your computer. You'll see an option that says Map Network Drive. Click on this option to proceed. You'll then be asked to enter the network path. Make sure to enter it correctly, as this is the address your computer will use to connect to the server. Once you've entered the network path, click Finish. And voila! You've successfully mapped a network drive. Now, you can easily access and manage files that are stored on this server, just as if they were on your own computer. That's all for today's topic. Remember, mapping a network drive can significantly simplify your work process, especially if you're part of a business that relies on shared resources. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.